Today we gather to celebrate the vibrant and joyful festival of Navaratri, a festival dedicated to the 9 forms of Goddess Durga.
Navratri reminds us of the victory of good over evil, light over darkness, and knowledge over ignorance. It is a time of prayer, dance, music, and devotion.
Let us begin our celebration by invoking the blessings of Goddess Durga. Learners from grade 6 Alpha will present a prayer song aarti to fill the space with positivity and divine energy.
We also need to be on the stage to dance, since grade 6 Alpha learners are performing.
Oh, I am sorry. I forgot to mention, only the girls of grade 6 Alpha will be performing.
दुर्गे दुर्घट भारी तुझ बिन संसारी अनाथ नाथे अंबे करुणा विस्तारी वारी वारी जन्म मरणाचे वारी भारी पडलो आता संकट निवारी
दुर्गे दुर्घट भारी तुझ बिन संसारी अनाथ नाथे अंबे करुणा विस्तारी वारी वारी जन्म मरणाचे वारी भारी पडलो आता संकट निवारी संकट निवारी
त्रिभुवन भुवनी पाहता तुझ ऐसी नाही
मनभुवनी पाहता तुझ ऐसी नाही
चारी श्रमले परंतु न बोलवे काही
चारी शमले परंतु ना बोलवे काही
सारी विवाद करता पडलो प्रवाही ते तू भक्ता लागी पावसिलन लागी
सारी विवाद करता पडलो प्रवाही ते तो भक्ता लागी पावसी मुलाही दुर्गे दुर्घट भारी तुझ बिन संसारी अनाथ नाथे अंबे करुणा विस्तारी वारी वारी जन्म मरणाचे वारी भारी पडलो आता संकट निवारी संकट निवारी जय देवी महिषासुरमर्दिनी सर्वेश्वरवर्धिनी भारत संजीवनी जय देवी महिषासुरमर्दिनी सर्वेश्वरवर्धिनी भारत संजीवनी
Now let's listen to today's thought of the day, which will guide us as we start our day. Master Ruhan from grade 6 Alpha will give us the inspiring thought of the day.
Hello, good morning. Today's thought of the day is good always triumph over evil. Explanation. This thought reminds us of the core message of Navratri. Goddess Durga fought and defeated Maheshwar. Maheshwar symbolized the victory of rightness or over wrongness. In our daily lives, we must choose honesty, kindness, and courage. No matter how difficult the situation may seem, when we do good, ultimately good will prevail. Just like light always overcome darkness. I repeat, good always triumph over evil. Explanation. This thought reminds us of the core message of Navratri.
Next, we bring you the word of the day to help us enrich our vocabulary and express ourselves better. Master Samosalvi will now elevate us with the word of the day.
Today's word of the day is resilient, meaning the ability to recover quickly from difficulties, strength and determination. Sentence: just like Goddess Durga inspires us, we must show resilience when facing challenges in life. I repeat again, today's word of the day is resilient, meaning the ability to recover quickly from difficulties, strength and determination. Sentence: just like Goddess Durga inspires us, we must show resilience when facing challenges in life. Thank you. Now, let's take a moment to fill our hearts and minds with positivity through some affirmations inspired by Goddess Durga. Let's all repeat these affirmations together after Shubhra Chauhan, Arjun Surve and Anwar Sorkar and feel the energy of Navratri within us.
Morning, today's first affirmation of the day is we have power to overcome every challenge with courage. Please repeat after me. I have the power to overcome every challenge with courage.
Today's second affirmation is I respect and I value everyone around me. Please repeat after me. I respect and I value everyone around me. His third affirmation is I fill my heart with gratitude and joy each day. Please repeat after me. I fill my heart with gratitude and joy each day. Thank you.
Topic of today's speech is Navratri. Let's listen carefully and learn from the ideas and thoughts being shared by Master Vihan Ijbile and Miss Raghavi Mishra.
Good morning everyone. Today I am going to speak about Navratri. Navratri is a festival celebrated of 9 nights to honor Goddess Durga. It reminds us of the victory of good over evil. During these 9 days, people pray, dance, sing and celebrate with devotion and happiness. Each day of Navratri is dedicated to a different form of Goddess Durga, and people offer special prayers, flowers and sweets to her. Navratri also teaches us to be brave, kind and positive just like the goddess. It is a time to fill our hearts with courage, remove all negativity and start new good habits. People also perform Garba and Dandiya dance which bring families and communities together in joy and celebration.
One beautiful message of Navratri is that women have always been respected as a symbol of power. Since ancient times, the worship of Goddess Durga shows strength, wisdom, and leadership are not limited to one gender. It reminds us of the value of gender equality, that both men and women are equal in deserve the same respect in society. This festival is not only about rituals but also about learning, discipline, patience, and respect for others. It reminds us that by staying strong and devoted, we can overcome challenges in our own lives. Let us celebrate Navratri with love, respect, good deeds, and happiness, and spread the message of courage and goodness around us. Happy Navratri to you all. Thank you.
Now let us move to the news segment. where we bring you the latest updates from around the world, our country, and our locality. Master Arvid will keep us informed about the happenings around us.
Good morning. Today's news headlines are as follows. International news. Philippines hit by tropical storm. Another tropical storm has struck the Philippines, resulting in at least 4 deaths and prompting evacuations in flood and landslide prone areas. Russia's airspace intrusions raise concerns. Russian aircraft have entered NATO airspace, causing alarm among alliance members. US military summit scheduled. The Pentagon has ordered US military officials from around the world to convene in Virginia next week for strategic discussion. National news. MiG 21's League honors. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh commemorated the MiG 21 aircraft, highlighting its role in strengthening India-Russia ties and its significance in various military operations. Tariff tensions with the US. The US have imposed a 100% tariff on Indian pharmaceutical exports, affecting companies like Sun Pharma and Biocon. Sports news. NFL Week 4 highlights. The Seattle Seahawks narrowly defeated the Arizona Cardinals with a walk-off field goal, improving their record to 3-1. Ryder Cup foursomes pairing announced. The 2025 Ryder Cup Friday morning foursomes pairings have been revealed, setting the stage for the competition and backstage black. Thank you.
Now we come to a melodious part of our assembly, a song performance by our talented students from grade 6, Aradhya, Viraj and Shubhanjana.
Oh, calling herself talented, इसे कहते हैं मुंह मियाँ मिठू होना. by learners of Grade 2 Ekam and Alpha, Grade 3 Ekam Alpha, 4 Ekam and 5 Ekam Alpha.
ऐसा किया हमने धमाका, सीधा कर दिया भाका। भाई 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 राम मोरी रामा भला कारी रामा, राम मोरी रामा भला कारी रामा, राम मोरी रामा भला कारी रामा, राम मोरी रामा भला कारी रामा। भाई 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 भाई
ગોતિલો નથી જે મજામાં ખાલી કાંટા મજામાં એવો હાલનો પ્રવાસી ગોતિલો કાંઠેથી જા તું જા દરિયેથી જા તું જા કાંઠેથી જા તું જા ગોતિલો તમે ગોતિલો કાંઠેથી જા તું જા દરિયેથી જા તું જા કાંઠેથી જા તું જા ગોતિલો તમે ગોતિલો નથી જે મજામાં ખાલી આવતા નાની રેત પાણી તપીલીને તોફાનો મારે હાલે સાવ આપી જાય તોય જેની હિંમત અને આમ લઈ આપે એવો
enlighten us with her views regarding the assembly that was combinedly presented by the learners of SVM.
What vibrant performances, isn't it? Do you all agree with me? Yes! Then clap for everyone. Happy Navratri, happy festivities to all of you. You know, in Indian mythology, we have a lot of shlokas which are dedicated to the gods and goddesses, and one of them, which I also recite every day and has a lot of meaning, is the one which says, Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu, Lakshmi Rupena Sansita, Namastasye, 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 Namo Namah. Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu, Buddhi Rupena Sansita, Namastasye, 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 Namo Namah. Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu, Shakti Rupena Sansita, Namastasye, 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 Namo Namah. And Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu, Matra Rupena Sansita, Namastasye, 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 Namo Namah. Now what does this mean? That the same goddess, who is the goddess of wisdom? Vidya? Saraswati. And who has the most weapons in her hand? Durga. Isn't it? And who is the goddess of wealth? Lakshmi. So, what does it tell us? It tells us that when in need we hold a pen in our hand. Isn't it? To give wisdom to the people around us, and when in need we can also hold weapons in our hand as per the need. So all these characteristics which we show in the goddess are the characteristics which every woman possesses, isn't it? Do you all agree with me? And Shakti is also the source of power and empowerment, isn't it? So it gives us a message that in Indian mythology, today we talk about gender equality, isn't it? But long back in our mythology, the goddesses were given such high stature in the society. And we also call, them as Vindhyavasini. You know why Vindhyavasini? Vindhyachal Parvat, high mountain range. So that is their home. So when you are sitting high, that means you are setting a very high expectations for everyone. And what are those high expectations? Till a girl doesn't have a high self-respect, self-esteem, self-dignity, self-grace. These are the qualities which we must have. And to all the boys who are sitting here, whether it's your friend, your sister, your mother, or any other female, your teachers, anybody. So what you need to do, the way we show respect to all the goddesses, the same way we have to show the respect to the girls around us. Also on Navratri we have one more festivity which we celebrate, isn't it? And it is not, I don't know whether it is much prevalent here, but we call the girls in our house and then we put tilak on them, we wash their feet and we feed them chole, puri and halwa. Do you know that? Yes. So that also means that every girl has goddess. Isn't it? Do you all agree? Yes. But my God, such mind-blowing celebration and festivities today, and each and every performance was so fantastic. And also these festivals, they bring us together, isn't it? We all enjoy together, dance together, and that also gives us a feeling of uniqueness and oneness and joy and sharing joy, isn't it? Do you all agree with me? Yes. So what's coming next? Before Diwali? And in between Dussehra and Diwali? Your half-yearly exams, isn't it? So then you have to become the Vidya, goddess of wisdom, and study well. Okay? Okay, thank you so much and have a wonderful day and wonderful celebration.
I invite Master Parth to deliver a vote of thanks.
Good morning. On the behalf of my friends from the grade 6 Alpha,
from grade 2 Alpha. I, Master Parth, take this opportunity to express our heartfelt gratitude to all who made today's assembly a great success. First and foremost, I would like to thank you, my principal ma'am, the Mrs. Monica ma'am, for her constant support and encouragement. A big thank you to your coordinator, Ms. Zeba ma'am, for the guidance thought. Our sincere thanks to our dance teachers, Mrs. Sonal ma'am and Miss Mira. Graceful performance. We are also thankful to our music teachers, Shahid sir and Anil sir, for training us and adding a quality to our morning. Warm thanks to all fellow learners who participated with great enthusiasm and to our audience for patiently being seated and encouraging us with applause. Once again, thank you